Hello, welcome back to another video. So today's video I'll be talking about the health benefits of pumpkin leaves, that is ugu leaf. Pumpkin leaves belong to the leafy vegetable family. These leaves are nutritious and are rich in vitamins and minerals. Scientifically, it is known as Telfaria occidentalis and is popularly known as fluted pumpkin leaves. The good thing about these leaves is that they have no particular season. They can be enjoyed by people throughout the year. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, just click on the subscribe button. It is completely free, and turn on your post notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos when I upload. These leaves are found in rainy season in abundance. Some Nigerians think consuming pumpkin leaves is beneficial, but a large percent of them do not really know the exact benefit it has. Pumpkin leaves can be used to prepare a lot of delicacy in Nigeria, and it can be used in preparing vegetable soup. We can use it to make sauce, normal sauce. Then you now use your white yam or ripe plantain or unripe plantain to eat with the sauce. You can use it to make just normal vegetable, just eat it like that. It has a lot of health benefits and it has a lot of nutritional content. So the nutritional content of pumpkin leaves is, as it is scientifically proven, these leaves contain a lot of vitamins and minerals in it. Moreover, these leaves are used by many, but most of them are unaware of its nutritional value. The best part is that it makes you feel full after eating it, and it has low calories as well. So that is the nutritional value of it, and it also contains fiber, yes, and antioxidants. So the health benefit of this pumpkin leaf is that it helps in anti-aging. Due to the presence of antioxidants in abundance, these leaves are known to slow down the aging process. It helps improve eye health. It is very good for the eye, and it also helps lower cholesterol. It lowers cholesterol because it contains fiber. So the presence of fiber in it helps to lower cholesterol. It also increases fertility, and it is good for diabetes. It is good for diabetes, and it is good for the skin. It benefits the skin because this pumpkin leaves has rich source of vitamin C. This leaf has a lot of skin benefits because of the presence of vitamin C in it. Vitamin C helps in wound healing, and it also helps in keeping the bone and skin healthy. It help boost immune system. It help boost immune system, and it helps treat anemia. So what you are going to do is to get your fresh pumpkin leaves, wash it very well, blend it, add milk to it, and start consuming it. You can take it without adding milk, and you can also add milk to it and take it. You can use it to prepare vegetable soup. You can use it to prepare your sauce. You can use it to eat white rice. You can use it to eat a lot of things. You can add it to your soup. You can add it to your pepper soup as well. It is this leaf, it is very good. So if you don't like drinking it, if you don't like blending it and drinking it, just get it, prepare it, and you just eat it like that. It is very good. Just add these pumpkin leaves to your diet, and you will see a lot of significant changes. So guys, that's the end of today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Don't forget to like this video. If you have any question, you comment on the comment below, and share it to your friends and to your loved ones.